Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about instrumentation subject. Instrumentation basically is the branch of engineering in which instruments and their controls will be studied. Now in this video the key points regarding subject, how to score maximum marks, which chapters easily you can prepare and well understand. Without delay, let us start the video. To score the maximum marks in instrumentation, let us see the syllabus according to university. Unit 1, characteristics of signals and their representation. This chapter is very easy and basics of signals and their representation you can easily understand. This chapter total we discussed in the classroom itself, you can easily understand that. Measurement system performance characteristics like static and dynamic characteristics, accuracy, precision, so many characteristics we discussed in the class. And errors, various types of errors in instrumentation, statistical analysis of random errors, signals and their representation. The first unit you can score maximum marks whatever be the question they ask. They will ask the maximum questions according to errors, according to performance characteristics. Based on performance characteristics they will ask the questions, based on errors they will ask the questions. In unit 2, according to unit 2 syllabus, you can see data transmission and telemetry DOS. Methods of data transmission, general telemetry system. General, what is the telemetry system? Frequency modulation telemetry system, pulse modulation telemetry system, amplitude modulation telemetry system, PCM telemetry system, pulse code modulation telemetry system. Here block diagrams representation of various units is very important. How the data is transmitted, data acquisition systems, comparison of various modulation techniques. After that, digital data acquisition system, what are the data modulation techniques, delta modulation, pulse code modulation, so many types of digital modulation techniques we are discussing in this chapter, unit 2. That is a block diagram. If you remember, you can easily get maximum score in data transmission telemetry DOS. In unit 3, signal analyzers and digital meters. Digital meters you can easily understand the diagrams only, how the analog meters works. The same principle we are applying, but converting analog to digital ADC. There are so many methods we are using: successive approximation type, ramp, integrating type, digital frequency meter and digital multimeter, digital tachometer. The digital meters you can easily understand. Remembering the diagram is important. Whereas signal analyzers, it is somewhat electronics applications of wave analyzers, that will be harmonic analyzers, all these. In unit 4 you can gain maximum marks. Transducers, classification, advantage, disadvantages, and one of the most important transducer, that is LVDT, strain gauge, gauge factor, thermistor, all this you can easily understand. Transducers. Measurement of non-electrical quantities, it is also one type of transducers. Non-electrical quantities can be measured. Measurement will be in unit 5. Here temperature, how can we measure? By using thermistors, temperature sensors we are using, velocity sensors and liquid flow sensors, torque measurement, temperature measurement, liquid level measurement, strain gauge. Again strain gauge will come in unit 5. Unit 4 also having strain gauge, measurement of pressure, strain gauge also unit 5. Based on this syllabus we can easily get maximum score in unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 chapters if you prepare very well about instrumentation, you will get maximum